In this video, I'm going to show you a few ways to get your camera low to the ground to shoot small toy subjects. My go-to setup for low-angle toy photography is this MANFROTTO MP3 BK large pocket tripod. The pocket tripod screws into the tripod socket at the bottom of your camera. The short legs can move independently and are pretty stiff. You can fold in the legs and it packs down really slim, making it super easy to carry around. Like I said, I just leave these on the camera body and keep it in my go bag. So this is about its max height. For Lego photography, I tend to just firmly push the whole thing down. All my cameras have an articulating screen, so I just set this down like this and shoot pretty comfortably. The next setup is a rather simple one, a beanbag. Beanbags are no-brainers. Just plop it down and settle your camera on it like you see here. This TADASHI TBAG was pretty much an add-on purchase for about $10 on B&H. It's a good size and it's lightweight, so something you could easily slip into your camera bag. But it's literally a bag of beans. I think it should have something synthetic inside rather than beans, so they won't get soggy if placed on wet surfaces. But that's also kind of why I don't really use this at all, because I don't like the idea of something laying in dirt and then it going into my camera bag. But you know, it works, it's light, and it's cheap. You can even save yourself some money and make your own. There's a step-by-step on Instructables that looks fairly easy to do. Another alternative is to use a tripod with a reversible center column. I bought this SLIK tripod because it was the smallest one I could find for under $50 that had a reversible column. This is it at minimum height. The ball head is on top, which I will flip over so that it goes down here. The quick release plate comes with the tripod and is attached to the bottom of the camera. So you just turn your camera over and slot it into place. The lever will automatically close and secure the camera. Then you can lower the center column down as much as you need to get down low. I've never had a problem with my camera moving, but I do make sure that the lever and knobs are locked down well. So this is what it looks like all ready to go. The camera is of course upside down because the column is reversed. Now, the big drawback of this for me isn't that I have to carry this, but that the view of the back of the camera can be blocked by a leg. And my articulating screen is upside down, so that's useless. What I have to do to get around this issue is use my phone as a remote. I connect wirelessly so I can see what the camera sees on my phone, and I can also trigger. If I need my camera in my hand, I just release the lever and I'm good to go. And finally, there are these kind of plate supports like PLATYPODs, which are really thin and versatile. But this thing slides on smooth surfaces unless you use the extra silicone pad under it. And it's designed to work with a ball head, which is not included. At almost $60, this is the most expensive support in this video. Adding a ball head will of course add more height. You can see that once you add the ball head to a plate type support, it really negates the ability to get more ground level shots for smaller toys. This could be a good option for larger toys though. So those are some lightweight options for low angle toy photography. I tend to use the MANFROTTO on dry, more even ground, and will take the SLIK tripod to the beach or on more uneven terrain. Getting your camera low to the ground is essential in creating photos with small toy subjects. Supports don't just keep your camera safe and steady, they also free up your hands so you can use a mister, spray, or even drop leaves or throw pebbles to create atmosphere or action in your toy photography. I hope you found these suggestions useful. Let me know if you have other ideas in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. This is 4 Bricks Tall. See you again soon.